And here we are again, starting a video when I'm not sat down. Shocking. Okay, grab me coffee, which I nearly spilt before. That's not good. Caffeine. No wonder I don't sleep. Right, welcome back to another video. I'm going to try and make this a quick one. I do tend to go on a little bit. I'm trying to work on that. So, on this video, I'm not covering a particular topic per se or technique. What I want to discuss is what I have going on in the background. Yes, I work as a portrait photographer. I work as a commercial photographer. I offer workshops, training, one-to-one training. I also offer the studio for hire as well. And I work with the lighting company and lighting brand Pixapro, otherwise known as Essential Photo. Now, the equipment that they sell is otherwise known in other places as Flashpoint in America, for example, Strobo, I think, something like that in Canada. I could be wrong there. Of course, Godox also. So we all know these lights and the brands that are out there. Now, I work with Pixapro. They're a UK-based company, and the capacity that I work with them in, I am a partner studio of theirs, so people can come and hire the studio and try the kit before they buy it if they wish. I also offer technical advice and guidance for people building their studios or their lighting kits up. It's not a hard sell, it's not a on-the-book sales rep role. It's just offering advice, my thoughts from my experience with the equipment, and they can take that as they wish and go do what they want, basically. I also write for the EP blog, the Essential Photo blog as well, and I work at the trade shows. So the photography trade shows like the photography show, sadly not able to happen this year. You'll find me on the stand, which is normally E91, offering people advice, showing them around the kits and so forth. So I have a working relationship with that company. Now, they're not officially on board as a brand, as in kind of my brand sponsor. We are looked at as ambassadors for the company. And more details on that are due to come in the future. So, of course, if anything changes, I'll update you. But I want to be upfront and honest, which I think is important in this social media world and online world that we are in particular in this industry. When you start to look at gear that's used and recommending gear, people can misread it and think, well, you're a shill and no wonder you're recommending it because you get a payout. I don't. I buy all this equipment myself. Yes, I have access to a discount through the studio. I have access to an affiliate scheme with them. But at the end of the day, this is a working relationship between us. If something came to a point where one wasn't happy and it couldn't be worked out, from either side, then, so be it, part ways. I work with this company because they're good people, they're good friends, they're a good bunch to work with when we work the trade show. There's a good team of guys and good team of girls that I work with at the trade shows. They're really approachable, really helpful, and the kit works. It does everything that I need. So that's where the relationship is at the moment. So full disclosure, you'll see some links, no doubt, in descriptions. And of course, some gear, some Pixapro equipment will be covered in reviews, overviews. You'll see some on the channel already. And of course, you'll see it in the tutorials that are upcoming also. So any questions or comments, please drop them below. I'm totally open to discussion on this, but I just want full disclosure, totally open going forward on this channel. And then we can just move forward with the portrait content. So hopefully this is short. I have a tendency to ramble like I am doing now, so I'll stop it there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Right, which I'm about to record now. Anyway.